Good morning, Tom. Good morning, Richard. Here's a Cosmic Grey EP3 in our video today at Dynodaze. Cosmic Grey is my favourite colour, if I hadn't mentioned that already. Today it's having an RBC inlet manifold, a throttle body, and obviously the Tegra adapter plate to make that work. And then it's having an ECU exchange and remap. So let's get on with that. And there she is up on the dyno. Doesn't it look lovely? Yes, we'll see what she makes there. It's got some good parts, you know. I know we can see a Tegra leaf eater, but it's got some good parts as well. It's got a solid fab exhaust system, so I'm looking forward to hearing that growl. Here we go. Cosmic Grey
EP3.
Love it. Just thought I want one. I'm going to have one at some point. Finishing on 232.
Yeah, that's okay with the round of mods.
Quick rundown of mods. RBC inlet manifold, take a 70mm throttle body, take a leaf eater induction kit, Jap speed 4:1, and a unsilenced solid fab exhaust,
which
is a good bit of kit.
Which is a good bit of kit. I don't know whether he's bought that new or bought it second hand.
Sounds ace.
But yeah, sounds nice.
It does sound nice. It's a bit hot still. Rich?
No, I don't think it is. I think we're where I'd expect to be for the time of year. I don't think it's particularly massively hot, to be honest. But to be honest, when we talk about these making 240, which is generally where they've been, we were always fitting Skunk 2 stuff. And as that has become, for some reason, unavailable in the UK...
This is where we're at.
This is where we're at. So we are fitting RBCs and RRCs and the likes of. So it's, you know...
It's what it is.
It is what it is. Yeah, and this is generally about where they finish, to be fair.
Well, I'm happy with that. Sounds great. I hope he's enjoyed his day, because we fitted the parts and then we've tuned it, which is what we love to do.
Yeah, he's got sort of 50 brake at the mid range, so I'm sure he'll be
yeah,
really
it's about
happy
just under 6,000 RPM. He's got an extra 50 brake horsepower.
Yeah, so I'm sure he'll love that for sure.
Will, I bet he will. Want to look at the graph?
Let's look at that graph.
Well, there is the graph. Sorry about the compressor going off in the background, but red line as she came in, blue line as she leaves, finishing on 232 brake horsepower, 187 at the wheels. There's another one in the bag. So if you've got an EP3 and you want some help, if you want to come down and hang out, talk to us about your EP3, please do that. Or pick up the phone, but not today, because I've got no internet or phones today, because they're chopping down a 5G O2 tower nearby to us, and therefore that's completely put us on the back foot. But other than that, that's a gorgeous Cosmic Grey EP3. I'm very grateful, and I'll see you all on the next one. Just at the end of the video, because I've only just remembered, EP3s, you need to check the oil on them. You've always got to check the oil on them. And I use 5W40 liquid moly gen in mine, and you can save a load of money by going to worldoflubricant.co.uk and put in the code DYNO, that bit of that word. You can put in the code DYNO at the checkout and save a load of money. So go do that, worldoflubricant.co.uk, use the code DYNO at the checkout, save some money on your quality oil.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit dynodazeperformanceparts.com and transform your drive today.